A shocking warning from the FDA has emerged advising against the consumption of potentially hazardous shrimp that were sold at Walmart. On August 19, 2025, at 12:50 p.m., the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) issued a serious alert to the public regarding certain great value frozen raw shrimp. The concern stems from potential contamination with Cesium-137, a radioactive isotope that poses significant health risks. The alarm was raised when U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) informed the FDA about the detection of Cesium-137 in shipping containers at 4 different ports across the United States. This prompted thorough testing of shrimp products distributed by Indonesia's BMS Foods, which also came back positive for the radioactive isotope, according to the FDA's Tuesday press release. However, what's crucial to note that as of now, no contaminated shrimp has entered the U.S. food supply. This is a comforting point, but it still necessitates caution and prudence on the part of consumers. In light of this situation, the FDA has recommended a recall of all products shipped by BMS Foods after their shipping containers tested positive for the radioactive substance, even though individual products have not yet been found to contain Cesium-137. The specific great value frozen shrimp products that consumers should refrain from eating, selling, or serving include Great Value brand frozen raw shrimp, lot code 8005540-1, best by date 3/15/2027. Great Value brand frozen raw shrimp, lot code 8005538-1, best by date 3/15/2027. Great Value brand frozen raw shrimp, lot code 8005539-1, best by date 3/15/2027. If you happen to have recently purchased any raw frozen shrimp from Walmart that aligns with these details, the FDA advises you to dispose of it immediately. They are actively collaborating with distributors and retailers who received the shrimp from BMS Foods to conduct the recommended recall. The FDA concluded that the shrimp from BMS Foods violates the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, as it appears to have been prepared, packed, or held under conditions that were not sanitary enough, potentially leading to contamination with Cesium-137, posing a significant safety hazard. To maintain public safety, all products from this company are now banned from entering the U.S. until these serious issues are addressed and rectified. Cesium, classified as a soft, malleable silvery white metal, transitions into a liquid state near room temperature. It readily bonds with chlorides to form a crystalline powder, as explained by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Large amounts of exposure to Cesium-137 can result in severe health issues such as burns, acute radiation sickness, and in extreme cases, death. But here's the kicker. What happens next? How do we as consumers react to such alarming news? Are you going to double-check your freezer? Stay informed about the precautionary measures taken against potential contaminants. Join the conversation and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.